with you 5 things you should know about divorce. If you're watching my video for the very first time, please do what subscribe to this YouTube channel. My name is Mary. I am a lawyer and a real estate consultant. And on this channel, I share videos on legal matters, general life matters, and real estate. So please stay tuned. This channel is here to educate you. So thank you so much for my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. I do appreciate you. Thank you for being a part of this YouTube channel. So without further ado, what are the 5 things you should know about divorce in Nigeria? Number 1, not all divorce cases are the same. I think I mentioned that in my intro, because Mrs. A divorce case was very fast, it was smooth, the emotion was quite normal. Do not think that will be applicable in your situation, okay? No 2 cases are the same, okay? They may be similar, but they cannot in its entirety be the same, okay? Child custody, maintenance, all those things can be very contentious. So, and it is possible that Mrs. A's divorce case, probably both parties actually want the divorce. That can make that divorce case very smooth. So, in your situation, probably you want it, and your estranged partner does not want it. That is, he or she is contesting with that divorce application. So, do not think all divorce cases are the same. That Mrs. A was able to get custody of all her children to herself doesn't mean you will be able to get that as well. So just have it in mind that divorce cases are not the same. Court pronouncements may not be the same, okay? So number 2, your divorce application, the divorce case before the court, is between you and your estranged partner, not between your estranged partner and the kids, okay? So do not make any issue between you, your partner, and the children having relationship, having to communicate, okay? The court is only dissolving the marriage. The court is not separating the father and the child. The court is not separating the mother and the children, okay? So do not create any form of how can I put it now? Do not badmouth or speak down or talk down on your partner in order for your children not to like your estranged partner, because that divorce application is only between you and your estranged partner. Number 3, it is very possible for you to lose your divorce application, your divorce case, or a divorce application before the court. It is possible. Although the court will not force 2 people who are tired of being together, the court will not force them to remain in that marriage. The court will not do that. But fail to do what you're supposed to do. You fail to prove to the court why you want a divorce, why you want dissolution of that marriage. The court may be reluctant to grant you that application. So which means the court can refuse your divorce application, and you will remain in that marriage with that partner you're saying you're so tired to stay with. So it is important for you to get a lawyer before you file any divorce application in court, because the lawyer will now do his or her best. So you also need to provide necessary information, okay, in order for you, if you want to win that divorce application. So, but have it in mind that it is possible for you to lose your divorce application. Number 4, even if your estranged partner is not contesting the divorce application, that is, Mr. A wants the divorce, the dissolution of the marriage, Mrs. A also wants the divorce, the dissolution of the marriage, that does not mean you will not prove your case. So because the 2 of you are not contesting, it does not mean the court will give you divorce papers to sign and just go home. No, it is not possible. So each of you needs to enter the witness box, explain to the court why you want the court to dissolve that marriage. And until then, that is what the court will not use. If you can convince the court will, that is based on whatsoever Mrs. A and Mrs. A and Mr. A has brought before the court. That is what the court will now make a verdict on. Okay, so have it in mind that you need to prove your whatsoever, either you are contesting it or not, you still need to prove it before the court. You need to prove why you're contesting it and why you were not contesting the divorce application. And number 5, possible to settle differences while the divorce is in court. That is, if peradventure right now as you're watching this video, your divorce application is already before the court, it is possible for you to reconcile with your partner and for you to actually pend or withdraw the divorce application before the court. So do not think because you have filed an application before the court for dissolution of the marriage, you have to stay true to it to the end. No, the court will be willing to actually make the parties to actually settle their differences, and all you need to tell the court is for the court to actually that you're withdrawing your application, and the court will gladly rather, the court will gladly oblige you. So the 5 things I feel it is necessary for you to know about divorce. If this video educates you, do not forget to like it and share with anyone that you know will find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in another video.